Welcome to our channel. Today we how to order OTC items with Aetna benefits card, online shopping guide step by step clearly. To order OTC items with your Aetna benefits card online, start by visiting the Aetna website. Log in to your Aetna account using your credentials. Navigate to the section dedicated to OTC benefits. Select the option for ordering OTC items. Browse through the available categories of products. You can filter items by type, such as healthcare or personal care. Once you find an item you want, click on it for more details. Check the eligibility of the item by reviewing the description. Add the desired items to your virtual cart. After you have finished selecting products, proceed to your cart. Review your cart to ensure all items are correct. Click on the checkout option. Enter your shipping information as prompted. Select your payment method, ensuring you choose the Aetna benefits card. Confirm that the details match your card information. Complete the order by clicking the final confirmation button. You will receive an email confirmation of your order shortly. Keep the confirmation for your records and tracking purposes. Your OTC items will arrive at the address you provided. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.